All right, I've been seeing this all over the internet. People boiling eggs in an air fryer. No water and no pot, just an air fryer. And y'all already know what eggs I'm using. Fresh farm eggs, picked out the backyard. So here's what we got. I got my fresh farm eggs, no prep, no water, no nothing. So I got my eggs and I got my air fryer preheating to 270 degrees. That's what it calls for, 270. All right, y'all, she's preheated to 270, as you can see. Now, we're gonna put our eggs in this basket right here. All right, I got my eggs in. Remember, y'all, no water. And by the way, they say you wanna space them out so they cook. Now we'll let them cook for 15 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, eggs without water, I didn't grow up like that. I grew up eggs on the stove, boiling water, boiling for about 9 minutes. I just hope I don't come to an explosion, but I guess we're gonna find out here shortly. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Here's the moment of truth. So, they look normal. They didn't explode. It's definitely a good sign. Well, looky there. Looks like we get to use the pot after all. But not to boil them in. So I got them in here for 5 minutes to cool them off. They say that's a trick for them peeling easier. But a pot was involved and water. By the way, y'all let me know if I use way too much water, too much ice. Feel free to roast me in the comments. I believe I did. But is there such thing as too much? See, there they are. Be back in 5 minutes. All right, y'all, so it's been 5 minutes. Let these cool down in some ice water. So let's see if dipping them in ice cold water for 5 minutes really helps them peel better, or is it a hack? Let me know what y'all think. Here we go. Let's see if air fried boiled eggs are a thing. It is peeling kind of easy, guys. It's not too bad. No way that actually worked. Air fryer will boil your eggs. No water, no pot. 270 for 15 minutes right here in the air fryer. And you will have yourself a boiled egg. There's no way. Well, I guess the saying is true. I guess things do change with the times. The new thing is air fryer, boiled eggs. Don't need water, don't need a pot. Take that old pot, throw it out the window. Guys, we're in 2026. If you ain't got an air fryer, go get you one. You can do a lot of things way faster. Don't have to dirty a lot of dishes. Go get you an air fryer, guys. Boiled eggs in the air fryer at 270 for 15 minutes. And you have some beautiful boiled eggs. And as always, remember, if you like this video, comment and subscribe, guys, and like. And try to get me to 10,000 subscribers for the next video. Air fryer, boiled eggs, out.